all the darshanas are said to be complete in themselves. So is it necessary or important to study the Nyaya or Indian logic to understand the other darshanas?
There is a saying, Kanadam Paniniyam cha Sarvashastra Upakarakam. Kanada is the sister darshana of Nyaya. Nyaya and Kanada are mostly similar. Panini is the Sanskrit grammar. These two are said to be very essential to understand all the darshanas, because the texts are all in Sanskrit. So one should know the root of the words and what these words mean. Moreover, it is important to understand what these words mean in different darshanas. There is a book called Sarvalakshana Sangraham. The Lakshana, or the precise definition of what these words are in the various darshanas. I will give an example. Supposing you take the word Vikalpa. Vikalpa in normal Sanskrit is imagination. In Purva Mimamsa it is this or that. In the Yoga Sutra we know Shabda Jnana Anupati Vastu Shunyo Vikalpaha. They have a very special definition for Vikalpa. So therefore the study of Nyaya is considered essential because it enables you to precisely understand what these words mean. Indian logic says if you want to know what an object is, you should know what it is not. So they describe a very detailed methodology of analysis. Then the second important point is the cause-effect relationship. How to determine the cause based on the effect? This is mostly done based on inference in Indian logic. According to Indian logic, there are no accidents, there are only incidents. It helps in the right knowledge. There is no blind belief. That's why it is called Anvikshiki. Anvikshiki means you analyze it and see in depth using reasoning whether it is correct or not. The Yoga Sutras or Yoga Darshana also is called an Anvikshiki Shastra. Nyaya, the materialist philosophy of Charvaka, as well as the Yoga Darshana, these are considered Anvikshiki, not blind belief based. Whereas in the case of Indian logic, they say, do not accept anything that does not apply to your logic. There is a saying, Yukti Yukto Vachagrahyam Baladapi Shukadapi. If it is rational and logical, accept the words of a child or a parrot. If it is not rational and logical, you don't need to take it, even if it is said to be the words of a creator.